These 3 mindset habits are preventing you from actually healing. Let's dive into them now. Also, welcome back to the channel. We have a combination here of self-development, eczema healing, healing in general, self-growth, all of those things. So let's dive into today's video by talking about number 1, which is a victim mindset. So I want to be sensitive, but I'm also a little insensitive on this topic. So when somebody has severe eczema or just like any sort of health condition, it feels like you're a victim. And especially, I've been through severe eczema myself, and it feels like your skin is out to get you. But something that I quickly learned is that the process of healing naturally and getting to know your body is so empowering. I mean, it's amazing. And so all of my programs are called Empowered Eczema for that reason. And it's because we can shift from being a victim to being empowered. And a victim mindset will always prevent you from any sort of growth, whether it's self-development or if you're trying to heal from a health condition. The second thing is always looking for answers outside of yourself. So there's a certain point of time to where, yes, when you're a beginner, you do have to know the lay of the land. So whether you are doing self-development, you kind of need to know some guidelines, or you're starting a business, you need to know certain things, or you're trying to heal your eczema naturally. Understanding what histamines are, what salicylates are, just kind of understanding what could potentially be affecting your skin is important. But the next step after that is looking internally for the answers and figuring things out by testing, by listening to your body, by meditating, and let the answers come from a higher source. And I think that's a huge mindset habit that people could have that's negative, which essentially is always looking for answers elsewhere. I have ran coaching programs for years for people with eczema, and through that process, I have watched the people who succeed and I've watched the people who fail. And the people who have not been able to heal still haven't healed because they're always looking for that external, like, there's something wrong with me, I need that external help, somebody please tell me. And the people who are like, oh no, I get what you're saying, I need to listen to my own body, I'm gonna have faith in myself, faith in this process, they always heal. I had one client go from like severe TSW, which stands for topical steroid withdrawal, and she had facial eczema, it was peeling, it was flaking, it was oozing, and reversed that in 3 months through my program because she never gave up and she had that faith, and she was like, okay, I'm gonna use what you're saying and I'm gonna listen to my own body. The third mindset habit that could be preventing you from healing is distraction. And a lot of times this distraction is preventing us from being able to listen to our body. So this distraction could look like literally distracting yourself by like being on social media all the time or watching TV all the time, or it could be constantly being busy to the point where you're distracting yourself from your own self. And so I know when you are in a healing journey, it can be difficult to start because you have to unravel a lot of junk before you can get to a certain place. And that junk is, you may have to start diving into childhood trauma. You may have to like actually recognize that you have these wounds inside of you and you have a lot of pain every day, emotional pain, physical pain. There's a lot that kind of unravels. So we distract ourselves from doing this work because we're scared. And by releasing control, taking a big deep breath, and starting somewhere with this process of healing physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, it's the best thing that you can do. So stop distracting yourself, look for answers within, and empower yourself by knowing for a fact that you're capable of healing, because you are, from anything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments if you're enjoying this self-development style videos. This is new on my channel, but I feel extremely passionate about this and I'm going to continue making these videos. I just would love to know if you like them as well. I will see you guys in my next video.